Crimea's de facto authorities have banned all rallies until June the 6th, preventing the region's minority Muslim Tatars from commemorating 70 years since Stalin deported their population. The Kremlin-appointed Crimean Prime Minister Sergei Aksyonov said the decree was issued to prevent provocations by extremists in relation to the current insurgent activity in Ukraine's southeast. Yet most see the ban as an attempt by the illegitimate authorities to clamp down on any critics of the regime appointed after Russia annexed Crimea in March. The annual rally is a day of mourning for the Tatar minority, who make up 12% of the peninsula's population of 2 million. Josef Stalin began deporting their community on May the 18th, 1944, after accusing them of sympathizing with Nazi Germany. An estimated 200,000 deportees died on the journey to Central Asia or Eastern Russia. The community, which slowly returned during the Soviet Union's demise in the late 1980s, now fears they could be repressed once again. The majority of Tatars boycotted the illegitimate referendum in March on whether or not to secede from Ukraine. The Ukrainian flag still flies outside the community's headquarters, despite visits from armed insurgents who threatened to close down their organization. Tatar spiritual leader Mustafa Zhemilev is banned from entering Crimean soil for 5 years, while it's also reported his family are being tormented by Russian riot police. Last month, Russian President Vladimir Putin pledged to rehabilitate the Tatars, but on May the 16th, he issued a veiled warning saying that they must accept their future lay with Russia, not Ukraine. Some smaller groups of Tatars have backed Russia's occupation. Most, though, fear that they must now make the choice whether to cooperate or rebel against the Kremlin-backed authorities.